We all want more money in our life. If you are one of them, watch this video till the end. You see in the background there is a video in loop going on about money, the currency, right? Currency is derived from the word current. If you wish to have more money in your life, whether you are salaried or a business person or an entrepreneur or a solopreneur, you need to come in the current, in the flow. In the cashless economy today, you need to give gratitude when you release money. जब भी आप पैसा अपने जेब से निकालते हो बाहर एंड किसी को देते हो तो थैंक यू बोल के देना है. That's where it will multiply and come back to you. Money is your friend. And how do you talk about money? I'm dirty rich or that person is dirty rich, filthy rich. ऐसे बात करते हैं अपने दोस्त के बारे में? नहीं, right? So make sure you use the right language to attract money and keep your friend happy. Also, to change the belief system about money, it's important to write your love letter or a gratitude letter to your money. Because in India, it's one of its country of its kind where kids are never allowed to talk about money. But as they grow up, you invest large sums of money for their education, college admission, paying lots of money to coaching classes and all the extracurricular activities. And at the end, when the child gets a job, girl or a guy, doesn't matter. Package kitna mila? What was the package? So पहले तो बचपन से we don't talk about money. And then जैसे ही बड़े हो जाते हैं, जॉब मिल जाता है, पैकेज. उनके बेटे को तो पैकेज बड़ा मिला, उसकी लड़की को पैकेज ज़्यादा मिला, तुझे पैकेज क्यों कम मिला? The comparison starts. So it's essential that you involve your child in money talk. That's where he will have a money consciousness, an abundance mindset. Because, let me share a secret with you. Very rarely you will hear this or you will understand this with repeating this with time and again. Abundance grows exponentially, and the more you ask for being in abundance, the more the abundance expands. There is never lack in nature. You look at the trees, there is abundance of trees. You look at the ground, there is abundance of land. You look at the birds, you look at the sky, there is abundance in nature. You, my friend, is the source of abundance because you have that tiny particle sitting in your heart is also abundance. When you realize this fact, you will stop comparing and you will start giving without hesitating. So I hope you enjoyed and learned something about money in this mini workshop, which I say under 3 minutes. If you like this video, do not forget to hit like and share it with your friends. If you're looking to personally change your money belief system, then DM me. Okay? Thank you.